Hello friends, welcome to NEP Solutions. Guys, in today's session, I am discussing about the basic concepts of immune system. Before starting the video, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please do subscribe, share and press the bell icon for notifications. So, immune system, it is a biological concept. First we will discuss about the what is the definition of immune system, and the simple definition is here. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues and organs that work together to defend the body against harmful pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, parasites and fungi. So, it is simple. The immune system is a complex network of cells. So, it is made up of cells and tissues and organs. This complex network defend our body from harmful diseases, pathogens. For example, we take vaccines whenever we are in the COVID session, like that. If we take the vaccine, then it will help to defend against the corona virus, like that the immune system works. It is a complex network of cells that helps to defend the body against harmful diseases or pathogens or foreign bodies which enter our bodies. It plays a vital role in maintaining overall health and protecting against infections and diseases. It plays vital role in maintaining overall health. Immune system maintain our body health and protect the body against infections and diseases. Here are some concepts related to the immune system. So, I will discuss some concepts which are related to the immune system. So, the first one is pathogens. Pathogens are disease causing agents including bacteria, viruses, parasites and fungi. Pathogens is simple, it is a disease causing agent and it includes bacteria, virus, parasite, fungi. They can invade the body and cause infections. Understood? And next, there are two types of immunity. First one, innate immunity. First we will see that innate immunity is the first line of defense against pathogens. Whenever a pathogen or disease enter our body, the first defender is innate immunity. Whenever a complaint is raised against the pathogens or disease or virus in our body, innate immunity will take the action against it. It works like the protector of the body. It is present from birth and provides immediate non-specific protection. It is by birth it will come, and it includes physical barriers such as skin, mucous membranes and chemical barriers such as enzymes, antimicrobial proteins and immune cells such as macrophages, neutrophils, natural killer cells. This is about innate immunity. And second type of immunity is adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity is a more specialized and specific defense mechanism. Adaptive immunity is a more specialized and specific defense mechanism. It develops after exposure to pathogens and involves the activation of lymphocyte. In adaptive immunity, it helps to develop lymphocytes, B cells and T cells. It has memory, allowing for a faster and stronger response upon re-exposure to the same pathogen. Whenever a old pathogen or disease comes again, it will ready to attack on that disease or pathogen. So, it is about adaptive immunity and it is the second type of immunity. First one innate immunity and second one adaptive immunity. The next fourth concept is antibodies. Antibodies also known as immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulins are proteins produced by B cells. These antibodies are produced by B cells. They recognize and bind to specific antigens. They recognize and bind to the specific antigens. Antigens are nothing but molecules on the surface of pathogens, marking them for destruction by other immune cells or neutralizing their harmful effects. What they do, they will recognize and bind to the specific antigens and mark them for destruction or destroying, because pathogens causes diseases in the humans or in the organisms. And the fifth concept is T cells. T cells are a type of lymphocyte that play a crucial role in adaptive immunity. They can directly kill infected cells, also called as cytotoxic T cells, or help regulate immune responses. T cells help to regulate the immune responses, and these are also called as helper T cells. T cells are also called as helper T cells, and T cells also have specific receptors that recognize antigens presented by antigen presenting cells. This is T cell. And the sixth one, humoral immunity. Humoral immunity refers to the immune response mediated by antibodies. This response is mediated by antibodies. It mainly targets extracellular pathogens, neutralizing them or facilitating their elimination by other immune cells. Humoral immunity helps to eliminate the other immune cells. Next, seventh concept, cell mediated immunity. Cell mediated immunity involves the direct action of immune cells, particularly T cells. Cell mediated immunity involves the direct action of immune cells, particularly T cells, against infected or abnormal cells. It is crucial for combating intracellular pathogens such as viruses. It depends against viruses from organisms. And the eighth concept is immune response. That is, the immune response refers to the coordinated series of steps that occur when the immune system detects a pathogen. Listen carefully. The immune response refers to the coordinated series of steps that occur when the immune system detects a pathogen. It involves the recognition of the pathogen, activation and proliferation of immune cells, production of antibodies, and the elimination of the pathogen. Immune response will eliminate the pathogen. And the ninth one, immunization. Immunization or vaccination is the process of stimulating the immune system to produce an immune response against specific pathogens. It involves the administration of vaccines which contain weakened or inactivated forms of the pathogen or its antigens. Immunization is nothing but vaccination. There is no need to explain about vaccination. You are all familiar with the vaccination. And the 10th one, autoimmunity. Autoimmunity occurs when the immune system mistakenly targets and attacks the body's own cells and tissues, leading to autoimmune diseases. Autoimmunity occurs when the immune system mistakenly attacks itself only and causes the diseases that leads to the autoimmune diseases. So these are the some basic concepts related to immune system. The immune system is a fascinating and intricate defense mechanism that continues to be studied and understood in greater detail. So, these are the basic immune system concepts. If you have got any doubts, please ask in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. And finally, enjoy the Immunity Power song. Thank you for watching. Share it with your friends.
ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತೋದ್ರು ಅಂತಾರೆ.